Edo State House of Assembly on Wednesday don clear 6 nominees as commissioner designate after the request from the state governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo. Dem take break from their recess and the House suspend the break wey dem propose make dem for fit attend to some pressing legislative matters. The plenary for Wednesday not long as the main order of the day na the screening of the 6 commissioner nominees. After the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House present the report of their screening, the House con clear dem as commissioner designate. The commissioner designate na Paul Ohombamu, Padi Iyamu, Washington Osifo, Andrew Jegbai, Oladisi Dahome and Lucky Esegbe. With the 6 new ones and when the governor swear them in, it will make am 9 commissioners so far.
I represent the very sagacious people of the Northeast constituency. And by God's grace, the majority leader of this noble house. Mr. Speaker will recall that at plenary of Wednesday, the 8th of January 2025, the issue for the screening of 6 nominees as commissioners in Edo State were referred to the Committee on Rules, Business and Government House. Mr. Speaker, we are happy to announce that the report is ready and subject to your best convenience. We are ready to support the report. We thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Finding number 1, the Honorable Barrister Paul Usayada Obama was born in 1967, hailed from the local government area of Edo State. He has LLB honors from University of University here from Nigeria Law School 1993 Lagos. He is a former member of Edo State House of Assembly, during which served as minority leader, deputy secretary, and chairman of several committees and various times. He also served as commissioner for information and orientation of Edo State from 2017 to 2022. The Honorable Dr. Washington Osa Osifo hails from Umodelo Government area of Edo State. He was born in 1973. He has LLB from Abu Saleh University, Ekoma, and BF from the Nigeria Law School, Lagos campus. He obtained LLB from Abu Saleh, LLM from Abu Saleh University, Ekoma, and PhD Cooperative Politics and Development Studies from Indonesian University of Canada. He has held various positions in the state, including Secretary to Model Local Government Council. He was Commissioner for Secretary Technical and Tertiary Education, Commissioner for Energy and Water Resources, and was member-elect in Model State Process, Edo State House of Assembly in 2019 to 2023. 3. Dr. Emmanuel Padi Iyamu was born in 1986 from Oregon local government area of Edo State. He had a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration BSc from the University of Benin, Masters of Business Administration MBA, also from the University of Benin, Honorary Doctor of Science in Petroleum Resource Management from European American University, professional doctorate in leadership and management from City University of Paris, another certification. He is the director of Unique International School, Delta State. He recently resigned as chairman of Edo State University Business Board. Before that, Sir Dr. Lucky Esegbe was born in 1977, hailed from East and West Oklahoma area of Edo State. He had LLB from Abu Saleh University, Ekoma, BF from Nigeria Law School, LLM also from Abu Saleh University, Ekoma. Had a doctorate from the Institute of Public Administration of Nigeria. He was a leader in Mr. Jebba was born in 1972. He came from Owa, East local government area of Edo State. He had a Bachelor of Science, BSc, Environment Science. Then, the nominees have the requisite qualification, appropriate experience with the state assignment, and are therefore eligible for the appointment level, and the nominees have declared by the Code of Conduct. Single recommendation flowing from the findings ago, the committee recommends that the listed 6 nominees be confirmed by the Honorable House as Civil Commissioner in Edo State. 1. Honorable Barrister Paul Osifo. 2. Honorable Dr. Washington Osa Osifo. 3. Dr. Nominees. 4. Sir Dr. Lucky. 5. Mr. Arthur Jebba. 6. Barrister Maria. Gone through the reports of the House Committee on Business and Government House on the screening of 6 nominees as winners in Edo State. It came out with 11 findings and 1 recommendation. An agreement that these 11 findings and recommendations should be part of this House. Please say aye. Aye. Those against say aye. Where the report of the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House on the screening of 6 nominees as commissioners in those states, 11 findings and 1 recommendation. An agreement that the findings and recommendations should stand as part of this House. Please say aye. Aye. Those against say aye. Which members were in the knowledge members this morning? The report has been cleared, and right now I want to seek the permission of my distinguished members to ask such as I am to ascertain if the 6 nominees for Commissioner Honorable Barrister Paul Osifo, Dr. Washington Osa Osifo, Dr. Emmanuel Sir Dr. Mr. Andrew EDHA, and Barrister Mary Olabisi Daomi. I want to seek your permission to ask that if they are putting the proceeds of these chambers, I want to ask if the should cross-check if they are around. If you're not going to say aye. Those against say ayes have it.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the 6 commissioners nominees are within the presence of their chambers. With your humble permission, may I usher them in, sir.
Distinguished members, the 6 nominees for the Commissioner here in the chambers are Honorable Paul Honorable Washington Osa Osifo, Honorable Dr. Emmanuel Sir Dr. Lucky Mr. Andrew EDHA, and Barrister Olabisi Daomi, they are here because of these chambers.
That in line with the portion of the House, there are 2 honorable members that are here. And to applaud that they are given the privilege to have handshake with members of the House before I beg you.
Thank you very much.
I rise again to second the motion by the judge in the event that our late here to have handshake with members not taking about leave.
Washington, please, you are permitted to shake your colleague. After that, take a bow and excuse us.
The House also cleared 7 members of the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission (EDHA) after the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House presents the report on the screening of the members.
Of the clearance of member nominees for the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission is here to the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House. The committee had interface with the nominees, and in the course of that, 9 findings were made and issue recommendation. The report is present and available, subject to the competence of the Secretary. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Edo State Independent Electoral Commission has just been presented to the House. For agreement that we should go through, please say aye. Those in case say aye. Seconded by Mr. Chairman of the I resume his exalted presence, report back progress to the House. If you are in agreement, please say aye. Those against say aye. Members of the Committee of the will get the report of the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House on the screening of the members of the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission. Here are 9 findings and 1 point of condition to this House. So the agreement that the 9 findings and condition should stand for this House, we say aye. Those against say aye. I won't do this, members. I want to seek your permission for the Secretary now to confirm if the nominee for the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission the principal official chambers. If you are in agreement that please say aye. Those against say aye. It's confirmed if the nominees are within the principal official chambers.
Mr. Speaker, 7 members of the Independent Electoral Commission are within the presence of the election matters.
7 nominees.
7.
7 nominees.
7 nominees.
Which members? The 7 nominees of the Independent Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, they are just in the other chambers. Please, other chambers, they are with us in the other chambers. Guys, permission to ask them to sit down. For agreement, please say aye. Those against say aye. For agreement that this 8th assembly has cleared these nominees as members of Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, please say aye. Those against say nay. Ayes. They declared by this 8th assembly.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.